Tired of squinting at your tiny phone screen? Meet the Alwtniet HY300Ultra Mini Projector, your pocket-sized ticket to cinema-quality viewing anywhere. With Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, and 4K support, this powerhouse projector beams vibrant 150 inches images while fitting in your backpack. Why you'll love it. One-touch electric focus, crystal clear visuals in seconds. Auto Keystone Correction, perfect alignment, even at tricky angles. Built-in streaming apps, Netflix, YouTube, and more without extra devices. 5W Soundbase Speaker, surprisingly robust audio for its size. Ultra portable. Take movie nights to your backyard, dorm, or next trip. Perfect for movie buffs, gamers, and presenters. The HY300 Ultra blends high-tech features with plug-and-play simplicity, all at a budget-friendly price. Ready to upgrade your viewing experience? Let's dive in. Design and build quality. The HY300 Ultra follows a sleek, compact design, measuring 7.5x, 5.9x, 3.1 inches, and weighing just 2.2 pounds, making it highly portable. The matte black finish gives it a premium look, while the built-in 5W speaker grille at the front enhances its aesthetic appeal. Key design features: 180 degrees rotation support, can be mounted upside down for ceiling projection. Ventilation and cooling system. Dual fans prevent overheating during extended use. Rubberized feet provide stability on different surfaces. Button layout, simple power, focus, and menu buttons on top. Verdict: the build is sturdy, lightweight, and travel-friendly, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Display performance, resolution and clarity. Native resolution, 1280x720, 720p HD. Supported resolution, up to 1920x1080 1080p and 4K input. Brightness, 260 ANSI lumens, 8,000 lumens advertised, but real-world brightness is lower. Contrast ratio, 8,000 to 1. While the native resolution is 720p, the 4K support allows sharper image scaling when playing high-resolution content. However, 260 ANSI lumens means it performs best in dark or dimly lit rooms. Image quality observations. Good color accuracy, sRGB approximately 90%. Decent sharpness for a mini projector. Not ideal for well-lit rooms. Requires darkness for best results. Auto Keystone Correction works well for angled projections. Best screen size, 40 inches to 150 inches. Optimal at 80 inches from 5.2 feet distance. Audio quality and speaker performance. The 5W built-in speaker delivers clear mids and highs but lacks deep bass. For better sound, use Bluetooth 5.4 to connect external speakers. The Soundbase design helps with audio projection. Verdict: adequate for casual viewing, but audiophiles should use external speakers. Connectivity options. The HY300 Ultra excels in connectivity. Wi-Fi 6, faster streaming, less buffering. Bluetooth 5.4, stable connection for wireless audio. HDMI, USB, AV, 3.5mm audio jack, multiple input options. Screen mirroring, works with iOS, Android, Windows, and macOS. No lag observed, great for gaming and live sports. Smart features and built-in apps. This projector runs on Android-based firmware, allowing pre-installed Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, may require updates. Wi-Fi direct streaming. No need for a Fire Stick/Roku. Voice control via remote. Note: some apps may require sideloading due to regional restrictions. Ease of use. Electric focus and auto keystone. One-touch focus adjustment. No manual dials. Auto vertical keystone, up to ±40 degrees. Air mouse remote, combines remote plus mouse functionality. Voice search support. Verdict: extremely user-friendly, even for beginners. Gaming performance. Input lag, approximately 35 milliseconds. Decent for casual gaming. Best for single-player RPGs, movies, not competitive FPS. Portability and outdoor use. Battery-free, requires power outlet. Lightweight and compact, great for camping, backyard movies. Recommendation: use a portable power bank for true outdoor flexibility. Pros and cons. Pros: Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.4 for smooth streaming. Electric focus and auto keystone for easy setup. Compact and portable design. Good 720p image quality with 4K support. Built-in apps for direct streaming. Cons: 260 ANSI lumens is dim for bright rooms. 5W speaker lacks bass. No built-in battery. Final verdict: who should buy it? Best for home theater enthusiasts on a budget. Gamers who don't need ultra-low latency. Outdoor movie nights and camping trips. Business travelers needing a portable projector. Not recommended for those needing 1080p native resolution. Users in brightly lit environments. Conclusion: the Alwtniet HY300Ultra Mini Projector is a feature-packed, budget-friendly portable projector that delivers solid performance for home entertainment, gaming, and outdoor movie nights. With Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, 4K support, and electric focus, it offers convenience and versatility at an affordable price.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.